Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today we'll talk about Quant. We'll look at how Quant tops the list of cryptos under market cap between 1 billion and 3 billion. And based on this metric of the average address, the daily active addresses out of those cryptos which have a market cap between 1 and 3 billion, Quant has a daily active average of around 940 users, which also corresponds with a decent addresses with a balance of almost 150,000 average address in balance, and average balance in USD is around 17,000. So this justifies the market cap at least from a technical perspective of around 1.3 billion. Current rank of Quant in terms of market cap is 55, and some of the key performance of Quant over the periods is, as you can see, over the month it is down by 20%, but overall it is kind of having a sideways uh, correction of negative 20% to positive 25%. So the volatility in terms of comparison is in this range is middle of the pack, not as high volatility as some of the lower market cap ones, and not too low too low volatility as some of the stable coins. Again, let's do an overview. This is an interoperability related crypto. The volume is around 12.4 million in USD. That is last 24 hours, and circulating supply is around 12 million. So just looking at the chart of Quant, and this is the technical analysis that we want to conduct before going to the AI-based forecast. Quant's weekly price action since the bull market high of around August 2021, uh, from that 430 range to about $40, it was more than 90% drop in the bear market. Although this has been range bound since as early as August of 2022, the range between $80 and $200. That has been the range for the last 1.5 year. The bull market support band for Quant right now, it's coming in at between $105 and $109, and you can see the price right now is at around $110, slightly above the bull market support band, although it has recently wicked below the bull market support band. Let's see how it holds the support, if it holds the support. The 100-week moving average is also at around $110. That's the color in the line in yellow color. The Fibonacci retracement levels are at 0.23 Fibonacci level. If there is a rally, the key level to watch would be the $132 level, and the secondary would be $190 at 0.38 Fibonacci level. You can see that this particular crypto has had its share of around bear market rallies at around 0.5 Fibonacci level at 236 USD, around 236 USD late October 2022. And this is a key level to watch, because if you compare its price with respect to Bitcoin, during October 2022 time period, Bitcoin was not doing that well. So if you divide Quant by Bitcoin instead of USD, you will see this type of chart where the all-time high against Bitcoin for Quant was not in the bull run, the later part of bull run, but actually was in the bear market of 2022, where it was more than less than 100 Quant per Bitcoin were available. This is right now, again, this is a classic example of bear market performance, where the rallies are sold near the 20-week moving averages. And currently the price is in terms of its Bitcoin price is below the 20-week moving averages, and it has some work to do to get to that above that level. And a key observation from this chart is, once the trend in terms of its Bitcoin price, once the trend turns back to above the 20-week moving average, and you can evidence that with the USD chart as well. That's the point when it makes most sense to again, not financial advice, to be more into these kind of cryptos where they are at least doing better against Bitcoin. That will help with the analyzing the opportunity cost for any crypto. So now let's focus on the AI-based forecasts for Quant. The base case forecasted by our model, this is again weekly price action color coded from undervalued to overvalued territory using historical price as an input. When the price is in green territory, that means it is undervalued with respect to its market cycle performance, and red is when the price is overvalued. So for per our model, the price under 35 USD is undervalued. For Quant, the price over 180 is overvalued for Quant. Again, this is barely under 175, over $175 is overvalued, and this again corresponds to our AI model where we operate on not just the historical prices, but machine learning techniques such as ARIMA and LSTM to forecast what could happen. This is basically the trend behind the price action. If you draw a straight line, you would find that this would cut through the extreme bearish phases and extreme bullish phases. So this is the trend behind the price. Again, this is not financial advice. And this base case forecast for 2024 per our AI model is for Quant is between 110 US dollars and 202 US dollars. This is the base case. The bull case forecasted is between 120 US, 127 US dollars and 220 US dollars. That's the one standard deviation. Now the mania phase is two standard deviation away. For Quant, that could range for 2024 between 145 US dollars and 240 US dollars. That's the most bullish per our AI model. That's the most permissible bullish forecast for Quant. The two standard deviation away, although there are phases where Quant makes it 3.7 standard deviation away moves, but that usually occurs in the year after Bitcoin halving. That would be sometime in 2025. So we have restricted currently to two standard deviation forecast. The third scenario, the fourth scenario actually, the bear case, what could happen in one standard deviation pullback in 2024 if we get that kind of environment. The price could be between 94 US dollars and 186 US dollars. And in a panic case, that is again two standard deviation to the downside, in case we get into a recessionary time in 2024, the forecast for Quant in that environment would be between 80 US dollars and 160 US dollars. So those are all the forecasts that I had for Quant today. Hope you found this information useful, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like and check out the other videos on our channel related to AI based forecast for cryptos in 2024, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.